Dr. Busch, thank you for the opportunity to chat. My question is around the strategy of Siemens for Industry 4.0 for companies, small to mid-sized enterprises in manufacturing. These are companies that may have resources constraints, such as the may not even have a CTO, or the owner may also wear the hat of the CTO, or they could hardly spend enough money to implement Industry 4.0 solutions.
Many of these small companies are still our customers. They buy products. They don't buy big stuff because that would be a bigger volume, purchasing volume than maybe they need turn over in the next 10 years. But they do buy products from us. They are sitting on our customers list already. What they need is more a standardized, pre-configured solution which they can basically very simple plug and play and click on. Are we there yet in order to have it that simple for really extremely small companies? Maybe not. But I think the more we are going into a kind of a standardization, which is a pre-configured standard where you can say, okay, the two of us could sit there, we take some of our nano boxes, we just plug in. This we can already do. I mean, I did it recently. So the both of us would be able to connect, and then open the internet platform for MindSphere, get a download. That maybe it would take us, the two of us, a little bit of time to do that, but then have a new UI and can start running. I think we are targeting for that, and we're not that far.
So just a clarification: is the plan for the MindSphere to become this plug and play? Let's say you apply for manufacturing, you may apply for energy, you may apply for transportation.
Yes, I mean, so
through the use of AI.
Just to put it right, because people, I'm really here very clear on the wording, because there are platforms all around the world. And MindSphere, we by purpose positioned as an operating system, which basically gives you access to industrial hardened cloud service, including connectivity. When I'm saying industrial hardened cloud services, that comes along with connectivity, with cybersecurity concepts, and really holistically, it means access means that you can have an access to it's an AWS cloud, it's an Azure cloud, it's an Azure on Stack, it's Alibaba, so that you don't have to, if you have maybe two clouds running, that you don't have to worry, or if you want to have a hybrid, that it's all in. You don't need all the experts to do that. So this is the reason why we believe spending money on this is worthwhile. But it's an operating system. If you just have that, the customer would not have too much fun. It's like running your iPad with iOS without any app. It's a little bit boring. So now comes the platform, the Siemens platform, which is Religent. Which connects the dots down from connectivity via our cloud services to applications, and to some extent also to have our customers integrated into their system, which creates value. And this is what I would call then really a platform which is creating value. It's a stack of technologies where you can also blend. It works with third-party products. It works with our products. It would work in principle also if you say, I decide not to take MindSphere, I go native on any kind of other platform, but definitely not better.